Good morning, Shella.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Shala Topas Ochong, 24 years old, single. I'm from Bago Playa, Davao City, Philippines, and I am applying for domestic helper for Malaysia.
Okay. I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want to work as a maid in Malaysia for me to earn and save money for me to provide for the needs of my family, ma'am.
Okay. Why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I choose Malaysia because it is also a nation country.
Okay. How are you qualified for this job?
Um, as what I've read and understood in the job with the job description, I think I can perform my duties and responsibilities well because I am a very hardworking person, and I think that's what makes me qualified for this job.
Okay. May I know what is your educational level?
I am a graduate of a 2-year course of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, ma'am.
Okay. What is your recent experience?
I've worked in Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation as a marketing officer for credit cards.
Okay. Have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am, because I am the one who's taking good care of my niece when her mother is not around, and I was the one who took good care of my father when he's suffering from colon cancer.
So you already have experience of taking care of an elderly, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so this is your father. How old is your father at that time?
62 years old, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
I can do household chores, ma'am, like ironing clothes, washing dishes, and I can also do um uh being this now, our cooking.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now? Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Especially Filipino food. But I'm willing
Okay.
to learn any other food,
Okay, like what?
like Malaysian food or any Chinese food, any ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
All of the above, ma'am.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use your handphone after you finish all the works and when going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer find out that you're abusing to use your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead, your employer will allow you to call your family 3 times in a month. You're
Yes,
only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed for the terms and condition?
yes, ma'am.
Are you agreed to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, can you describe for me your ethics?
I am a person with a study disposition, and I am well disciplined, trustworthy, and hardworking, ma'am.
Okay, how can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I can assure you, ma'am, that I will work hard because I am doing this for my family, and for me to save money, I will really work hard and to be able to build a structure that we can call our own when I go home.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a
No,
maid?
no, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to eat the type of food taken by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of being left alone in the house?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to work according to instruction from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any immediate family working in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Sheila, we have
Yes, ma'am.
finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
If ever one of my family member passed away upon arrival in Malaysia, I will talk to my employer and ask her or him if I can go home. And if I am not allowed to go home, I will try to ask them if I can send money or I can call my family way back home.
Okay. Number two, tell us about yourself and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
I want to work in Malaysia because I want to earn and save money for my family to be able to provide for their needs and to build a structure that we can call our own when I go home.
Okay, Ashela, what do you
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to tell to employer who watching your video right now?
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I am Shala Ochang from Philippines, and if given the chance to work with your family, I will do my best to do my jobs, my duties and responsibilities well, and I can assure that I am a trustworthy person, and I am hoping that one day we will meet.
Okay, thank you very much, Sheila. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Yes, ma'am. Thank